Hello, in this educational video we want to explain about starting the motor in a left hand, right hand start delta manner with a timer and PLC. Now using this input we start the motor in a left hand direction with this input it changes from star to delta. This program is manual. In order to this automatically we must use delta star timers use which is first launched as a star and then change it to the delta according to the time you specify. You can use PLC instead of these timers, which the program that you give the PLC, you can change the motor from star to delta after 3 seconds. Now if we activate the input, the motor starts as a star and then change it to the delta. It is right direction. PLC performs this operation where you use the PLC. There is no need to use a star delta timers, and practically we do the tasks of timers with PLC. So be sure to learn PLC programming because it will come in handy.